they can still switch electricity provider while you've got a loan ongoing.
We'll see massive growth in areas such as LED luminaires. That's the primary area where growth is coming from, but we're also seeing it in more niche markets like automotive. The talk today was about the LED roadmap and where the technology is at the moment, what we're seeing in the market in 2013 and what we're going to see in the next 5 to 10 years.
Well, the message today is all about how lighting controls is going to save the world. We've got the opportunity to switch the lights off rather than all our delightful colleagues who are switching them on all the time.
Today I was talking about OLEDs. I was talking about kind of giving an introduction to the technology and the overview of what it's going to be used for and how this lighting technology is going to make an impact into our industry.
My presentation today was on the eco-design regulations and energy labelling.
Today I've been speaking about the business innovation and skills consultation on the new WEEE regulations.
About how that building's used, how many people...
Well, I think days like today are great because it allows everybody to share ideas with one another. We might come here and deliver presentations, but the feedback that we get is just as important.
Days like this, we've got a mixture of folks from within the lighting industry and consultants, architects, clients, all getting together. And two things really. Firstly, that update in terms of what's going on with legislation, and secondly, communication, education and enthusing about what our very exciting industry is doing at this time.
Members then want more information. We then follow up with additional courses, additional training courses, etc. So they understand the products that have got to change and how to change them.
What brought me here today was simply the fact that I felt I needed to make sure I was aware of what's likely to happen within the WEEE regulations in the near future.
I actually wanted to find out more on all the different regulations and actually have a chance to network with my peers that are also here.
The technical detail was very good, and the regulation information is very important for changes coming over the next 2 or 3 years.
There's a lot of information, a lot of content that I think would be very valuable for the corporate market as well, the facilities managers, the people that are actually having to buy the product. I'm sure there's stuff here for them to learn as well.
I think days like this are very important to the industry because we all need to be talking the same subjects in the same way, talking from the same standpoint, so that we present a single voice to anybody outside the industry.
Well, it's important that our members who are based all over the UK get an opportunity to hear from the horse's mouth what's going on. We have a website that gives us all this information, but very often people want to have to engage. So we like to go out to the provinces, go out and take this information to our members.